Welcome to Bella Vista. My name's William from Webbers in Bideford, and I'd like to take this opportunity to show you this fantastic example of a rural bungalow here in High 3 bedrooms, detached, parking for 4 vehicles and an impressive 30-foot kitchen diner. So let's have a little look around, then I'm going to show you these views. As promised, here are the views. My key feature to the home, situated in a tranquil setting with wildlife in abundance as well. If you'd be interested, give Webbers Bideford a call on 01237 472 344. Thank you.